to. Replacing your ABS anti-lock brake pump really doesn't take that much, depending on your vehicle. This one came off of a '08 Pontiac. I got it from the junkyard, and I went there first to see if there was any available on the vehicle. Actually, I was looking for one for a Buick Lucene, however you pronounce that name. It was '06, but I matched up the wire harness and the female and the male side. I made sure that they look. I took pictures and took them back, but the pump was the same, and the harness connection was the same. I made sure of that. But this pump fits. I took the old one out and put the new one in, and perfect fit. But that part was not hard to get to at all. It just had one screw. Let's see here. It was this side here. Well, this side here. It was screwed into the bracket. Took that out and took off the harness and unscrewed these 6 lines, and the pump was out. But this one came from a junkyard called Pick Apart U-Pick. What I like about them is they you can go in there and they can, by computer, they can tell you whether or not they have a vehicle you're looking for, and they'll give you the price of the part before you even go in and pull it. Everything's right there up front where you can see whether or not this is going to work out. And when you go back there, sometimes the pump is not there, or someone else had already taken it off. But in this case, this pump was on a whole different vehicle, but it fit. Diversity to replacing your ABS anti-lock brake pump, not too bad. At least on this '06 Buick. Okay, we're gonna get these out here. Gotta move some. I just checked my saw. I didn't have all day to get these off. I can reuse this. Take this off it. Get up. Damage. Okay, get this down in there real easy. Go ahead and get my wire harness connected. Okay, I'm assuming that toward the back is locked. I think that's the lock position, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, well, we're gonna take in connectors on there. Fast, you just have to go slow. the new pump on there I got from the junkyard. I got you today, Lola. I had my camera ready when I was talking to you. I got you today. Yeah. I said, Lola, you sleep? You said I already did it. I said, you already did it? I said, okay, I'll see you later. I got you now. Hot dog. I got her, people. She can't say she ain't talking. Looks like some of the lines are not tight. It's leaking here. Let's tighten that up. I see still leaking from the ABS pump, so the lines are not tight. Let's work on that.